Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun, my name is Satwika and I'm from international class. So today I'm about to present about the brand concept of Cireundeu. The first thing first, that Cireundeu is located in Lewi Gajah village in South Cimahi district. And also Cireundeu is known by the people there don't eat rice. They eat rasi as a replacement of rice that made from cassava. So the next one we have the SWOT. So the strength is we have a very good food sustainability system, and the second is we have the camping ground at the peak of the Salam Mountain, and we have the very good economic creativity such like batik. We have batik called Lereng Kujang, and also the culinary. And then we have the herbal tree, and then we have cultural ceremonial. And the weakness are the culture that began decreased by the modernizational era, and then Cireundeu is very lack of tourism, and the opportunity is we think that Cireundeu has a good chance to improve the culinary system, and then Cireundeu also have the opportunity to integrate it by the government. And the threat is, of course, the opponent of, like the similar village to the Cireundeu, that like Cikondang is very similar to Cireundeu, and also they're close by. So our old positioning is Tenyawah asal teboga pare asal boga beas, teboga beas asal bisa nyangu, tenyangu asal dahar, tedahar asal kuat. It means that it's okay if we don't have rice fields, as long as we have rice. It's okay we don't have rice as long we eat. It's okay we don't eat as long as we are strong. So next we have the brand activation concept. So our concept is, the first is we launched about the VR games to our social media like Instagram and YouTube, and then next is VR is being played by the audience, and the third is audience get experience from playing the VR games, and then we promote the hashtag 3 days challenge to our Instagram at no.cireundeu, and then the audience join the 3 days challenge, and then they come to Cireundeu and they try nyaba, and then they join the student school, and then they try making kasi, and then finally they get experience from making those and trying new experiences, and then finally they share their experience to their social media with the hashtag 3 days challenge New Cireundeu and Nepangkan Uniknya Cireundeu. And our target audience is the urban and the suburban in Bandung West Java, and male and female 15 years old or above, and SES is C1 and above, students, college, and researcher. And the psychographic is those who like to travel and those who like hiking the mountains, and then they have the problem of the food sustainability. And the behavioral is those who seek entertaining and skill developing activities, and those who needs to change their eating habit. So what makes Cireundeu is different from other village is Cireundeu, some of the people in Cireundeu haven't eaten food or rice since 1918, so as their main food, so they eat rasi or beras singkong as their main food. So for them it's like they can be very independent, not dependent to other people. So for our new positioning is Nu Cireundeu. So Nu Cireundeu means Nu Cireundeu is our tagline also. So Nu is Nepangkan Unikna. It means that we will we will introduce our uniqueness of Cireundeu, and then Cireundeu is Cireundeu. So new can be two other meanings. It means new, it means the new positioning of Cireundeu, and new, that that we aim that we will make Cireundeu well known. So now I want to talk about the logo of Cireundeu. So there are three combination of colors in the logo. So the first is turquoise. It is represent the throat of chakra. The second is blue, represent third eye of chakra, and the third is purple, the crown of chakra. And as you can see there, a person meditating is represents the custom of theirs. And then you can see also there is a cassava leaf that represent the food sustainability of theirs, their main food, main ingredients. And the outline, it means that all of them is one Cireundeu. So now move to mascot. So our mascot name is Ascir. It is abbreviation for Asli Cireundeu. It is originally from Cireundeu, and the mascot symbolizes the people there that is very empathic, very responsible to their surroundings, and then very loyal and they beliefs. And also it represents the cassava leaf that from the hair is shaped cassava and green color. So move to IMC strategy. The IMC strategy that we have is online or offline. In online platform, we have the Instagram and YouTube. And in Instagram, we will post an Instagram story about our VR and the 3 days challenge. And also we have the Instagram TV, and also YouTube and Line Official. And move to communication objective. So the virtual reality games is to build awareness of the audience through the entertaining knowledge like virtual reality. And the 3 days challenge is meant to be to stimulate the audience action to form a customer experience. So what to say and how to say. So what to say is Cireundeu is very different from other village because it's food sustainability of the cassava itself. And how to say is using singkong nu orang benten hayu kadieu. And next is multi-sensory effect. There are 6 senses of human. The first is taste. The audience can experience taste by joining 3 days challenge by New Cireundeu. And sound and audience also can hear our jingle production. And touch, audience can experience touch by participating in the making of rasi. And then sight, audience can see the lowong view from the VR. And smell, the audience can smell the food they cook by themselves. And then next is creative strategy. So the creative strategy we have is, the first is jingle song, and second is jingle video clip, third is city branding video, 4 is brand activation video, and the 5th is a performance stage. That's all for the presentation about the brand activation concept. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.